This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Sony model and Android TV version so you know compatibility. Connect the TV to a stable network. Prefer wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster downloads. Once connected, go to Settings, Security, and enable unknown sources to allow manual APK installs. You're doing this because some Sony TVs omit the Play Store by default. Next, prepare a USB drive or use ADB on a PC to transfer the Play Store files you'll need. Now you install the necessary APKs in the proper sequence because Android requires supporting services first. Transfer the Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, and Play Store APKs via USB or sideload them with ADB. This reduces file corruption risk. Install Google Services Framework first, then Play Services, and finally the Play Store, making sure to reboot after major installs to let services register. If an install fails, check Architecture, ARM vs ARM64, and match APK variant. Finish by launching the Play Store and signing into your Google account so apps sync and updates apply. Once signed in, update Google Play Services and enable auto updates, then reboot to stabilize background services. If apps crash or the Play Store won't open, clear cache and storage for Play Store and Google Play Services, reinstall the correct APK variants, or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset. This resolves persistent permission or service registration issues. You'll know it worked when apps install normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.